Hi, my name is Bruce Lee. I am a martial artist, actor, and philosopher. Today, I want to share with you my incredible journey to fame. I was born in San Francisco, California, and I am of Chinese descent. My passion for martial arts started at a very young age. As a child, I often find myself imitating the movements of animals that I observe in the park. I am intrigued by their grace and strength. My father, seeing my interest, enrolls me in martial arts classes. There, I learn various disciplines like Wing Chun and Judo. As I grow older, I become more focused on honing my skills. I am determined to become the best martial artist the world has ever seen. I train rigorously, pushing myself to the limits of my abilities. Day by day, my techniques improve, and my confidence soars. Eventually, my hard work pays off and I am noticed by the film industry. I am offered a role in a television series called The Green Hornet. I am ecstatic and eager to showcase my talents on the screen. The show becomes a big success, and people start recognizing me for my skills and charisma. With my newfound fame, I embrace the opportunities that come my way. I star in movies, inspiring people with my martial arts and philosophy. I believe in the power of self-expression and being true to oneself. I advocate for the importance of discipline and constant self-improvement. In my movies, I constantly challenge myself to break barriers, both physically and mentally. I want to push the boundaries of what martial arts can achieve. Through my craft, I want to inspire others to follow their dreams and live life to the fullest. Off-screen, I continue to learn and grow. I write down my thoughts and reflections in my little black books. I believe in the importance of personal development and understanding oneself. I often say, "Be like water, my friend," advocating for adaptability and flexibility in life. As the years pass, my impact on the world of martial arts and entertainment only grows. I become an icon, known for my unique style and philosophy. I am humbled by the love and support I receive from my fans. Thanks for listening to my story. Remember, the journey to success requires hard work, dedication, and a belief in oneself. Keep fighting for your dreams,